Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 10, leçon U. So in this lesson, we'll see some verbs from the first group. So as you might know, the first group is a huge one, so it would not be possible to cover it in one video, or I don't even plan to cover it in several videos. So I've been making a really short selection, but still it's long enough, so it's a bit less than 60 verbs. So I will just read them once, okay, because it will be too long if I read them 3 times like I normally do. So we can start right now. To go with, accompagner. To add, ajouter. To ask, demander. To bring, apporter. To brush, brosser. To call, téléphoner. To carry, porter. To cease, cesser. To chat, bavarder. To close, fermer. To comb, peigner. To congratulate, féliciter. To cost, coûter. To count, compter. To dance, danser. To deceive, tromper. To deserve, mériter. To desire, désirer. To enter, entrer. To explain, expliquer. To fall, tomber. To find, trouver. To finish, terminer. To forget, oublier. To forgive, pardonner. To give, donner. To go up, monter. To have dinner, dîner. To have lunch, déjeuner. To help, aider. To hide, cacher. To kiss, embrasser. To leave, quitter. To lend, prêter. To like, to love, aimer. To listen, écouter. To look for, chercher. To marry, épouser. To meet, rencontrer. To miss, manquer. To order, commander. To pass by, Passer. To play. Jouer. To present. Présenter. To regret. Regretter. To shine. Briller. To show. Montrer. To sing. Chanter. To speak. Parler. To stay. Rester. To study. Étudier. To tell. Raconter. To thank. Remercier. To think. Penser. To walk. Marcher. To wash. Laver. To wish. Souhaiter. To work. Travailler. In this lesson, we'll see some verbs from the second group. But in that case, it's not a long list. I've been deciding to give you 15 to 16 verbs that are, usually quite useful. Okay. After that, I will do another lesson a bit later that will cover a bit more this second group, and especially list of verbs that are coming from adjectives or have this relationship with the adjectives. We will see that a bit later. So for this lesson, only 15 to 16 verbs, and I will take the time to read them 3 times like I usually do. So we can start right now. To applaud. Applaudir. 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 To blush. Rougir. 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 To build. Bâtir. 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 To choose. Choisir. 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 To delight. Ravir. 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 To disobey. Désobéir. 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 To fill out. Remplir. 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 To finish. Finir. 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 To grow. Grandir. 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 To heal. Guérir. 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 To nourish. Nourrir. 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 To obey. Obéir. 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 To punish. Punir. 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 To reflect. To think. Réfléchir. 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 To seize. Saisir. 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 To succeed. Réussir. 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 So before letting you go, keep in mind that it's always possible to find more videos on the YouTube channel, and it's youtube.com/imagier. So you can subscribe and definitely you can like the videos. It would be so great. Thank you very much in advance. If you want more content and if you want all the videos, all the audios, all the things that I've been producing so far, the platform is frenchforme.net. Okay, and then if you are only interested in audio or PDF for the lessons, then it's another place, and it's frenchforus.net. And last but not least, if you need to go faster, if you want some Skype lessons, it's possible. Let's try to find a convenient time for you and for me. And so just send me something through frenchforyou.net. Well, that's it. Thank you very much. Au revoir et à bientôt.